Let's get these computers into place. Let's see if we're getting audio over here. I forgot to shave. It's taking a while to stream. 15 seconds? 20 seconds? Is it working? Nope. Now it thinks I'm live. 6 seconds ago. Do we hear sound? I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything at all. What is that? Oh, there we go. I am monitoring this on the Macintosh. That's why this is a little bit different. Don't have the PC turned on. Good morning. It's Monday, 9:15 a.m. here in New Hampshire. And it's January 2nd. First working day of the year. So already the year's bogged down in chores. I need to return this thing, which doesn't provide as much power as it's supposed to. Or that could be my mistake. I'm returning it anyway. I gotta find a place to put these books. My friend Alan gave me this for my birthday. A book of 5 rings, which is one of those classic military strategy guide things. We were talking about how I was feeling a little disconnected, or very disconnected, I should say, from people and goals and purpose, and I needed to disconnect from everything. And he got it and helped me just work through some things. So it should be an interesting year of finding the balance between wanting to connect with people, but also being in a category of myself. And that doesn't maybe not make a whole lot of sense right now, but it's it's something I'm working through. I'll write something down on that. 2017 seems like it's going to be a big year of change. A lot of things going on that will be pretty much continuations of what I was doing last year, which was getting the side business going. That's the stationary tools. Those are new designs. One exciting thing that happened yesterday was, for the first time, I got over $50 worth of pledges on my Patreon page. And my first stretch goal was at $50. I would start going through the backlog of my requests file, which go back, probably 10 years, of forms that people have wanted to have designed, but I haven't had time to do them, or whatever. But at $50 a month from supporting, and that feels more like a direct request. And as a reward, you just start releasing those. They'll still be free, but with this level of support, I'm feeling somewhat obligated now, and also encouraged that people would want to pledge even like $1 a month to help along with that. So the next level I think is at $100, and that $100 I'll make a big pack of all the forms for download for supporters, and I'm at $72 a month now, so that's not very many. So I might start thinking about that sooner. What else is going on? This week I need to get back into development in a big way. Last month I have not been doing that. So I didn't bill a whole lot of hours. But we have a delivery in February, so that's no longer... My comfort is no longer going to be an issue there. I just need to pump some stuff up. Let me take a look at my Quiver spreadsheet here and see... Let's see, what would this be? That's good morning. I guess that would be this continuity. I need to consolidate all my continuity journals. I have way too many of them now. Simplification would be on the list. I'm pretty sure I did one since then. So I'm just taking a look at my log here. Maybe just having a stream log would be fine. There's too many of these stupid logs. I'll just continue this one and I'll merge them later. Now, January 2nd, 2017, Monday. And what was I going to write here? Actually, this does belong in the other global continuity of things I'm doing. I should just make these daily entries. I do have an end of the year cleanup. Got this done. Did not do that. Still already did that. Let's move this up. last week I've done. I'll clean this up later. I need to update those links, and I need to restart the development push for February. And I have to think about Taiwan trip in March, which I'm excited by and not excited by at the same time, because it's a revisiting of a place where I'm not very comfortable. Don't speak the language, can't read any signs. I don't have my own space there, so it's something that I do because I suppose it's character building, and also to see my dad. This will be an interesting trip because I'll be going with my friend Alan, who I spoke of earlier, and so with his family and his kids. And so it'll be interesting just to fly overseas with someone else's family instead of my family. I don't think I've ever done that before. So it'll be interesting in that sense. I'll spend a week in Taipei and hopefully find my comfort zone. Then I'll spend another 2 weeks in Taichung, where my father lives. And we'll see how that goes. But I don't know. It's just this kind of creeping dread of being... essentially losing 6 weeks out of the year to preparing for this. Plus, it's the language thing, which I should do some sort of practice on. I guess I can start now. 你好，我的名字是谢大伟. My name in Chinese is Da Wei instead of Da Wei, which is usually how they transliterate David. And I tried to say my name is David. Say, Xie comes the first name, family name comes first. Maybe I'll work on a dialogue. That's not a bad idea, actually. Just get used to being bad at things, which is another 2017 goal. I had heard an interesting, let me see if I can find it, an interesting fragment on the radio this morning when I was waking up. It was about, let me see if I can find it. It was on design thinking and... Yeah, this was exactly this link. The interesting thing about the story was how there are people who are feeling stuck in life and rudderless, and they think that they need to find the exact right thing to do. And some people make the big break and make the big change, and they do that. But sometimes it doesn't work out. And some guy in the tech industry made the connection that how they design in the tech world, which is this now labeled design thinking in the past 5 years, it can work out. When you don't know the answers to something, when you don't know what the best approach is, you ask people, you try things out, and then you fabricate, or you construct the way toward the goal as you're discovering it, which is something I guess I've been doing all my life. Maybe not as methodically as a design thinking guru might. But it was an interesting article. We'll post this in the link in the YouTube chat links and then the Discord links. Looking at this link. Post this in the link dump over here in the Discord chat. So that was the big find this morning. But I need to get going now. So that's this morning. I'll be back later, probably doing some design work or graphics work or something. You'll figure it out. That was laundry day, which is why I'm wearing this shirt. Finish doing my laundry, figure out how that's going to work, and get some stuff done. So happy Monday, happy 2017. Let's have a good year together.